Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be solving for simultaneous equation. We are given two equations and two unknown, then we're expected to solve for unknowns simultaneously. So I will first write y in terms of the substitute of the formula, then solve for y, then substitute y, then solve for x. So for me, I'm going to start with the second equation as the easiest for me. Then I will write y in terms of the substitute of the formula. So I'm going to have 2y is equal to 6 minus 4x. Divide both sides by 2. I'm going to be having y is equal to 6 divided by 2 is 3, minus 4 divided by 2 is 2x. I'm going to call this our third equation. Then we're going to substitute our third equation into our first equation, the equation that we haven't used. So everywhere I see y, I substitute this. So I'm going to have 3x minus 2. Then I'm having 3 minus 2x is equal to 8. 3x. Then I take I'm opening this bracket. So 2 times by 3 is 6. 2 times by 2 is 4, is positive 4x. Negative times negative is positive, is equal to 8. Then sum the like terms. We're going to have 7x. 4 times 3 is 7. 7x. Then 8. We're taking this 6 this side. So it's going to be positive 6. Then we're going to have 7x is equal to 6 plus 8 is 14. Therefore, x is equal to 2. We take any of the equation, then substitute 2. And we take any of the equation, then substitute 2 everywhere where you see x, then we get y. I'm going to use our third equation. Therefore, y is equal to 3 minus 2. We see x, we write 2. We're having 3 minus 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Therefore, y is equal to minus 1. You see, we did solve for y and x. Okay, let's take it as if we use in the first equation and see if we're going to get the same answer, but we will get the same answer anyway. I'm sorry to be disorganized. So we write y in terms of the substitute of the formula. So we're having minus 2y is equal to 8 minus 3x. We divide both sides by negative 2. So we're going to have negative 2y divided by negative 2 is equal to 8 divided by negative 2 minus 3 divided by negative 2x. So this and this, we're going to have y is equal to minus 4. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Negative divided by negative is positive. 3 over 2x. We did solve for y. Then we take the second equation. Everywhere we will see y, we write this. So our first equation was 4x plus 2. Everywhere where we see y, we write this. Minus 4 plus 3 over 2x is equal to 6. Hopefully we're still together. Then we're having 4x. 2 times by 4 is equal to 8 minus 8. 2 times 3 over 2. This 2 divided by this 2. Then we'll be left with 3x is equal to 6. Then we add the like term. Then we have 7x is equal to 6. We take this 8 this side plus 8. We have 7x is equal to 14. Therefore, x is equal to 2. Then we substitute x is equal to 2 in this equation. If we have y is equal to minus 4 plus 3 over 2, where we see x, we write this 2. Then we're having y is equal to minus 4 plus 3. Therefore, y is equal to minus